This project, entitled High Voltage Engineering Lab Assistance Robot, carried out by K. Shrikant, Dilip Gowda and Manoj N., students of 8th semester EEE department for the academic year 2019-20, under the guidance of Dr. Raghavendra. A patent also has been published under this project. The robot in the proposed project is designed to be used in high voltage engineering laboratory. The dangerous environment created within high voltage engineering lab during high voltage experiments makes it dangerous for human assistance. In the proposed project, we are mainly concentrating on the discharging of electrode in high voltage engineering lab. Manual discharging is followed till date and is quite risky if proper precautions are not taken. The proposed project helps the person to carry out this discharging process easily by controlling a robot from a distance, which eliminates risks of high voltage. The controller can sit at ease and control the robot by using an Android smartphone by using Bluetooth technology. The complete robot will be controlled by Android smartphones, which eliminates the requirement of special dedicated remote controls. A mounted camera will give live feedback of robots and its working.
This proposed system identifies the cracks and obstacles on the track using sensors and informs the control room.
This project work, entitled Gesture Controlled Robotic Arm, is collectively carried out by 8th semester students of EEE department for the academic year 2018-19. In this project, vision-based interaction techniques are used to track the motion of the fingers and to extract the motion of the hand gesture accurately and promptly. Accuracy and effectiveness plays the key role for real-time motion-based applications. Besides, it might be difficult or dangerous for humans to do some specific tasks like picking up explosive chemicals, diffusing bombs, or in worst case scenario, to pick and place the bomb somewhere for containment and for repeated pick and place actions in industries. Therefore, a robot can replace human to do work.
Human exploration performance underwaters are limited. Thus, a dedicated tool or a device such as proposed project remotely operated underwater monitoring vehicle can be used for various applications.
Waste management and segregation is much needed process in metro cities and urban areas and can be effectively carried out by this proposed project, automatic segregation of waste using robotic arm.